Oh my god, my keys! What's going on, guys? Today I'll be taking you with me to fly my drone for the first time. Now, I wasn't sure of the drone laws at my camp, so I had to take this drone to a different camp to fly. So stick to the end to see how I captured some cool footages of a basketball game at this camp. Let's go. What's going on? Oh really, we are doing that now? Let's go. So what's the plan now?
The plan?
But I think we have to get dinner first, right? Is it too heavy for you? Sure? Or you can carry this one? Smash, how are you feeling?
Bad, man. Those are brownies,
Mr. Tom, how are we feeling today? I want to see some dogs today. I want to see some dogs. I want to see some free throws from half court.
Start with this one. Start with the ones I put it this one.
While I was having dinner, I met my colleague Outclick Photography, who is also a creator, and here he was checking out my gimbal.
What is the code? Straight there?
Yeah, we'll follow them wherever they are going.
I will come soon, okay?
Okay.
From Bakala.
Alright, man. See you. Come on, it's serious. It's a serious event, man. I didn't realize it was this serious. Hi.
Hi, bro. How's it going? How are you? Brian! Brian, what's going on?
The game started and I decided to go to a remote location to launch my drone for the first time. And here you see some cool footages that were shot with the drone. This was me and my colleague trying to test out the active tracking functionality of DJI Mini 4 Pro to see if indeed it will track my movements once I set the focus on myself.
Done watching the game, but we still have to wait till 10. This is the reception. It's a reception, but you can. They have Bacala inside, yes. So we're going to wait here till 10:40 before our bus arrives, and then we'll go back.